It's like Christmas Day, you know, opening presents. Going to be angle grinder worthy. Or just like that.
Ain't no way out. Like a way out. Ain't no way out, could be. Way up for me. Hey, yeah. Facts. I never heard.
All right guys, my stuff from eBay has shown up very quickly actually. It only took like 5-6 days for the mini truck build series that we're doing with eBay. So I'm gonna get into it and see what we got. All right, first off is our rear view mirrors. Black, it's pretty stealth. Orange, blue, green, so clean. Clean myself in it, yep, perfect. I don't even know what this one is. Like, I forgot, like I said, it was only 5 days ago. It's like Christmas Day, you know, opening presents. Not that you get many presents when you're this old though. It says it on the side, front bumper lamps. Oh, I thought they were just the shields. Oh, look at that. We've done it again. All right, I've already opened this one. These boxes on boxes, which is good. I wonder what that one is. Starter motor. Yep. Did you get that one, mate? Straight over your head, wasn't it? These young blokes.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? It says on the front.
You were actually intrigued about what it was. Here we go, fresh starter. Far out, that looks bigger than the motor. All joints. Perfect. And the last 4 are our 4x4 shocks. That's our parts. We have to clean this thing first though. It is deplorable, only because there were doughies in the paddock. But I'm gonna get into that now. I just gave a quick degrease, so let's go. As if this is gonna stop me from getting like wet. Got me gum boots. I might go no socks too, eh? Because I'll ruin it.
Not for free. Not for free, bro.
Blur them, please. Come on for the bin.
Good clean, good clean.
Done. It's actually come up pretty well. Probably a lot of stuff that shouldn't be wet in there, but hey, at least it looks clean. That's a good start. There you go, the old girl. See, all this stuff's still coming off. I probably should give it a quick scrub. A little bit facing the other way. That's good enough for on top. I suppose we better do underneath. That's why I got this f***ing thing on. No more swearing either. You own a bunch of shit boxes like me and want them cleaned, f*** off and get someone else to do it.
Do it yourself.
Like me, and do it yourself. So much water in this. Nailed it. Now we're f***ing in it. Getting so f***ing wet. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So what we are going to do is we're going to try and get some bolts off. For the tray, we can pull that off and rest that out here somewhere. And it's easy to get to the shocks. You don't put on a hoist all the time. So yeah, I'm going to bring down my tools. That would have been good if that hit me in the face. What the actual just like so cross-threaded. Going to be angle grinder worthy. fuck's sake. Well, we can't even get to this one because the fuel tank's in the way, so you might be cutting the bolts off from the top, which we love. You know when you think you're doing something and like, yeah, 1 bolt, 2 bolt come out, 3 on the way. It's just never that simple. We move on, we do something else. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. It's called compounding interest.
What?
Interest in another car. You gotta find a battery, prepared earlier. Only going in for a couple of seconds. Considering everything's nice and wet, which we love when everything's electrical, and oops, something cracked there. Anyway, hang on, I'll wind that thing on. As if it wasn't gonna start. Always starts. It's a fresh battery, the thing's like brand new. Look how clean it is.
I was about to say, it always looks the same as when you started.
Shut the f up. All right, so let's put these mirrors on. Feels like it was drilled in the door, possibly me. Struth. I don't know if I put these on or they're already on, but oh gee, my knees then. Professional athlete kids, you don't want to be it. All business. That's the go. Maybe I need to put those black doors on then, if I get that other car, of course. Well, it's hard, you know, it's got a chrome bumper. They kind of need to be further forward too. No, they don't, because I won't be able to see out of them. Nah, it's good. Couple redbacks. Ooh, right on. Oh, that bottom screw is not really in. Simple unplug over here. Oh, a few more redbacks. What else we got? Let's take these ones out, eh? Start undoing it, because it's all going to come off. Oh, it's like fucking brand new in here.
Yeah, sure, mate, sure.
Mate, you're going to have a look at that down the track and go, yeah, you know what? You are dead right. It looks brand new in here. Look at that rocker cover. Squeaky, squeaky clean. What's holding these bastards in? Couple clips. Couple of broken clips. Snap, snap, yep. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it comes off. Well, just like that. So I really need to get that other car now. Another day's problem. Redback territory. They're more afraid of you than you are of them. Bull. I do not like spiders. Leave the light out, put a turbo there. Now we're talking. Airbox turbo, or we put a little 383 sitting up the back there with a carby set up on it. Shh, not right now. Later. Don't tell Loretta. All right, guys, we are back for a mini truck build. We are continuing with our eBay build, obviously, and we've got a bunch of parts, and also I ended up just buying a whole new car for this because I've had a nicer bumper than this one and some possibly better guards and doors. So it still might be multicolored, but we might change it up a bit. So I'm not sure yet, but I bought this thing from Balaclava yesterday on airbags. Kind of looks good. We can pump them up, and got a valve there we can sort of make it go up and down, but she's pretty rough, the rest of that. But we have a tailgate, which is great as well. So good grille, good bumper, and a bunch of miscellaneous little parts. But I've got a bunch of the stuff from eBay that we are going to be putting in today, taking bits off like the bumper and a few other bits and pieces, and then getting the suspension that we bought, making sure I got the right ones. No biggie, because we'll be able to return it back to eBay if it is the wrong stuff, but I'm pretty sure I got the right stuff. Let's get into it. We'll throw this thing in the air, and we might take some wheels off and also take the rest of the bolts off for the tub, because I wanted to get that off and potentially get that blasted and rhino line. Now it's not dripping on me from all the water and all the mud and all that jargon.
Cow shit, dog shit.
Yeah, dog shit, yeah, all the above. All right, we'll start at the front here. Wheel nuts are hanging on by a thread. Another thing I do need to get is wheel nuts, so I'll be jumping on each again. Bit of rust on these buggers. There's plenty of brake pad left though. I think I got it. We're off to a flyer here. Don't you worry about me, mate. And the rubber sits on the metal. There we go. So then that goes up here, up through there. So all right. Good as gold. That's one side done. We'll jump on the other side now and just rip this other wheel off. Looking at another job before I finish the other one.
It's just the definition of your channel.
Pretty much. Oh, look at this. Oh, maybe I can do that.
ADHD, but it's only for cars.
I know, right? I reckon I got it good. You fucking dirty bastard. That was a good purchase. Yeah, perfect. Done. All right, let's roll onto the rears. Filled with dirt. Seems about right. Jesus. There we go.
I was honestly going to say that these shocks look a lot easier to take off than the other ones.
Yeah, right. They are. More junk. Ding. Remember, people, I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, you bastard. I was just seeing if this was the broken. Call it that, see? Athlete. Oh, am I supposed to put them on? Probably am, eh? 100% I'm supposed to put them on, I reckon. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're thereabouts. Yeah, no. Doesn't make sense, does it? Now we're getting somewhere. She's a bit rusty, you know?
That's what matters on the inside, right?
Yeah, something like that. Beauty on the inside. We don't walk around with x-rays, mate. We can't see them.
That's not
Yeah, perfect. That sounds horrible. And just like the other one, that's regulation. When we were under here last time, I was gonna try to take the tub off. And I got stuck on a bolt over here. He's some bastard. The only thing is, it's a funny angle. That's what we want. This is the one that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Careful, mate. I did order off eBay a bolt kit too, which would be good. Put some new bolts in this thing because they're all rusty as hell, like the rest of it, but I reckon it'll be right. While this is up, let's go do the front end, take that bumper off, and then we can bring it down and maybe take the front guards off. Nailed it. Now what we can do is we can take these guards off too, and then that'll give us a good idea about the colour, you know, like, and how it'll go with the green door and then the rest of the orange cap. All right, good, we only had 3 bolts in there. I reckon that might be it. It was. You're cleaning that up.
I am.
So you got 3 bolts in here too.
Very flattering angle.
Sure it is. All my angles are flattering. Just like a fucking timing bolt or some bull. Still got this one. Did I just fucking do that? Fuck you. They've got a rivet in the front one.
Oh my god.
That's so annoying. One thing this thing has seen is a fucking angle grinder by the look of it. What are we thinking? Do we like that blue better than the other blue? I think it's gonna look better. I think it is, eh? Yeah, well, let us know if you think we should keep the green and blue doors. I kind of like the feature of the green and blue doors, but should we go with the new blue and the blue doors here, obviously, matching? We will have to drill holes in the doors here. I'm kind of liking this, but that's me. I like new shit. Like I like changing shit up if you haven't noticed everything that I buy and sell and whatever. Kind of like this, because then we've got a darker tailgate as well. Put on and then it might match a little bit better. Match, not that we're really going to match. But
Shit, this is the definition of not matching, man.
yeah, but this is something that I like.
Oh, tinted as well, bro.
Yeah, rolls up, rolls down.
Functioning windows.
How good is that? That's what we do. We just drop it like it's hot and then pump it back up. Then if you want to dump it, I've never had anything like this before. I can see why they would, you know? It's pretty cool. I'm not sure what that is for. That must be for indicator. Bullshit. Whoa. Now I can have a light just to work on this thing. Have a go at it. Bloody hell. That is so bright. I'm so wrapped with that. I thought I was gonna have to get it all hooked up, but the one thing I do have to do over here, the old clip, she's busted. So I'm trying to find a sort of little bit of a loom sort of thing to see if we can find that. Wow, I can't even look at that. That's awesome. I was like, how are we gonna make these work? That has to be indicated that little bit. Rusty AF bolt.
You're a millennial saying AF out loud.
Look at that shit.
Performance mods? Nah.
Nah. This little bit here, we'll pull it off our broken clip. We can break the clip even more. And there be light.
Wait.
We are fucking on. Look at that. It is so bright. How good. Shit. Stop looking at the light. Whoa! Have a look at that. Flash as. Like I said, I love this thing and just coming together. So guards, doors, interior. So once we finalise this bit, we'll be able to get in the interior and fix up a couple of things that are in there, i.e. like bolting the seats down. Might be a good start. Again, all this stuff is because of eBay, so massive thanks to them. All the parts arrived super quick, literally within 4 or 5 days, and they were all right. I thought I ordered the wrong things, but everything's fit so far, which is laughing. And we have bolts coming as well, so they'll be here tomorrow, which is awesome. We'll be able to get into that and do more and more. Eventually, once we'll do the big reveal, I'll reveal to you guys exactly what we're doing with this thing and why.